That one's completely dead. Well, there's no battery in it, so it's the gravity turquoise. It really is a gravity. These two are the dead ones. That's the new one. It's going in circles in the habitat. Help is on the way. Oh, this one's really dead. The calculus, really? The calculuses are really fast, not slow. It's just dead. See? It's running off. You think I can't get away with that? Right. You must think I'm that blind. I'm not. Because that doesn't count. You'll get disqualified for doing that. I'm not kidding. You're disqualified. That's the new turquoise motion. This one that just came in. That's the first. Oh my, look at every single one is in here. There's no more in here. Ooh. That's the new one. You can tell just how fast it's going. It looks like it's going slow, but it's really not. It's really new, so it hops. See? Of course, it skips. It makes every door except the one it's supposed to go in. Wow, there's two over there already. That's the one I traded for Lucas. That's the bright one. You are gonna get disqualified. I need to get them back. Come here. Arr. These are all the new ones. Oh, whatever. There needs to be a winner. You know what? You are disqualified. Well, no, so that means that one's the winner. This turquoise one right here is the winner then.